Can we just talk about how gorgeous these flowers are? I wanted to put them over there but you guys can see them. Okay, so I put the flowers over there, which you guys can even see. Great. I still got my money.
Hi guys, welcome back to Abby's channel. Today we'll be doing a makeup haul on Abby's items that she bought from Sephora, Mag, ColourPop, Ulta, Juicy Couture, etc.
Okay guys, so as you could probably heard from my boyfriend over the phone, today we're going to be doing a little makeup haul. It's been a while that I haven't done a makeup haul, and that's because I don't really buy as much makeup as I used to before. There was like a little phase where I would buy makeup like non-stop, like even if I already had a foundation I would buy one, like, and I still buy makeup, but I just buy the essentials, and like that's basically what I have here. By the way, I have it in this really cute bucket, a popcorn bucket. So yeah, let's get started on this little bucket. Like, the first thing that I have is this little e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick. I have not tried this one, so yeah, let's just see how it is. I've been using a lot of nudes, so I decided to get like a dark, not dark, like just like a different color. Yeah, that's how it looks like. It has like I don't know, like a vanilla type of smell. The next thing I have is this, what's it called? Lip liner. It's in the shade Willow, 712 Willow, and it's from Wet n Wild. I think this was like $1, so yes. The next thing I got is this concealer, and it's my favorite concealer of all time. And this is the Maybelline Master Conceal. So far, I've tried a lot of concealers, and this is like so far the best. I'm wearing it right now, and sometimes I don't even need a foundation. I just put like this concealer here, 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 and then I blend it out, and it's like it's all good. And I love doing that in summer because where I live, it gets really extremely hot, so the less makeup the better. The next thing I got was this NYX like liquid eyeliner. It's the Vivid Brights collection. I'm not sure if it's a collection or what is it, but I really wanted to try something new because, like I said, recently I haven't really, for a while now, I haven't really bought like makeup and stuff, so now I feel like, what if I can just try something new and stuff, and I have not tried it. Do you guys have any opinions on this? Like, is it good? Does it crack? Because that's what I was afraid of whenever whenever I would experiment on makeup and I would try like colorful like liquid eyeliners and stuff. They'd always be like very bad. Like, even though the black shade was good, the colorful shades were always bad, which I don't know why. The next thing I got is this Master Conceal. It's literally like a glow stick. I tried it once and I don't know if I applied it wrong, but it didn't look good. It didn't look good at all. I just have it in like the shade Light. Does this like depend on your skin tone? Because maybe that's why. Because maybe that's why it looked weird on me. Comment down below if you're supposed to put this after your foundation or before your foundation. The next thing I got is, I just noticed I've been getting like a lot of glittery weird things. It's this NYX liquid crystal body glitter. I just noticed it says body glitter. No wonder it burned my eyes when I put this on. I thought this was, how can this be body glitter if it's like literally like the shape, the form of a liquid eyeliner?
A few moments later.
Well, so the next thing I got, it's this ultra matte lip from ColourPop. And by the way, can we just like talk about how Ulta is now carrying MAC, Morphe, and now ColourPop, and I don't know what other brands, which I love because I've always been like, even though I do order online, I am not a big fan on ordering online, only if I really want something like this or like Morphe palettes and stuff. But if I had the chance to just go get it like in a store like Ulta and stuff, I would. And my hair is getting crazy. And I remember, I think it was sophomore year me, when ColourPop was all popular and stuff, I like ordered 2 liquid lipsticks online. I was all like, I was all excited. And I got Beeper. I love these colors, but in the bottle, what I don't like about ColourPop, that in the bottle it doesn't look as dark, but once I apply it in my lid, it always looks like 10 times darker, which I don't get why. I don't know if it's because of my skin tone or whatever. But the next thing I got is this e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit. And why am I running out of breath? I also got this Hard Candy Velvet Mousse type of liquid lipstick. But the packaging is gorgeous. I love the packaging. It protects your liquid lipstick. It looks cute, so I like that. And you could even use this little thing as to store your bobby pins or something. It's very nice. It's very convenient. So yeah. The next thing is this Sonia Keshuk Beauty Blender. I got it like 2 weeks ago, and I was supposed to do this video 2 weeks ago, but I didn't. So I used it. Guilty. I already used it, which is good. I kind of like trying the products first before I show it to you guys, especially if I've never used them before. That way I can give you guys a little background if I like it or not. And I do like this beauty blender very much. I love the little, it looks like, I don't know, marble. I've been very into marble, by the way. Like, if I could paint my walls marble, I would. I also got another like basic thing. It was mascara. Last item is the biggest fail, guys. I bought this MAC lipstick. It's Velvet Teddy, which I've tried before and I loved it. I used it about twice. You can ask Danny out of this. And I mainly bought that lipstick, the mascara, and this concealer, like these basics in a way, because I was already running out of the ones I had, and I was just, you know, in a way restocking, in a way also to do the video. It melted. Like, that's how hot it is where I live. It melted. That has never happened to me before. And obviously, if I tell you guys like that I left it in the car, you guys will be like, well, obviously it's gonna melt. But I have left makeup before, guilty before, like other years, and it has never melted on me. And this is the first time that a product melted. So yeah, it melted. And that's why I can't swatch it. I'm pretty sure I could still use it. I don't know if I should still use it. Comment down below if it's safe to use it. But if it is safe to use it, I'm pretty sure I could still like put it like in a little jar, and I could just like, I don't know, like. That's basically it for this makeup haul. This little thing is already empty. Ooh, and my eyelash is falling off already. So perfect timing to end the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little short makeup haul. Comment down below what products I should try next, because I do want to start trying new products. I've been restocking these same products for a while now. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. I will be doing a clothing haul or hair care haul next, right after I finish this video. So if you guys want to see those, I'll leave those down below for you guys if you guys want to keep watching more hauls. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.